Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essentials: your device model, Android version, and the Google account tied to the phone. Once done, make sure the battery is above 20% and connect to reliable Wi-Fi or mobile data so online recovery can proceed. Next, open the lock screen and attempt a few obvious PINs. If unsuccessful, move directly to the Google sign-in or OEM recovery path. This saves time and ensures you're ready for remote account verification steps. If the lock screen shows a forgot pattern or similar link, tap it and follow Google account verification prompts. You'll need the account email and password or access to the recovery phone or email. If that fails, use Google Find My Device to locate, lock, or factory reset the phone. Remember, a reset removes local data. Alternatively, check your manufacturer's support app or site for model-specific unlock utilities, because some OEM provide authenticated remote unlock or service center guidance. After a factory reset or successful remote unlock, you must sign in with the original Google account to satisfy factory reset protection. This is why account info matters. Once signed in, restore apps and settings from your Google backup and reconfigure security options like PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. If you hit a factory reset protection block or you don't know the previous account, contact the device manufacturer or Google support with proof of purchase. That's the primary troubleshooting route for.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.